This is a Bean 7000 tire machine. I bought it from auction for $60. The local shop in town charges $50 to change tires, so figured it'd be a good investment. Has those two discs to pop the bead on the tire, and has a big ring to set the bead. Just blows compressed air in between the rim and the tire. There's a big air cylinder in the back of the machine, and it seals to that shaft. If there's any rust on there, it might eat up the seals. It's air and electric. The two arms in the bead seater are air, and then the rotating shaft, or the shaft that rotates the tire, is electric. It's wore out for sure, but it definitely beats changing a tire by hand. The chain that drives the shaft that turns the tire is wore out, so the chain's wore out, the sprocket's wore out, and I keep skipping on the sprocket. So I'm just adding a better pulley on there to keep the chain from coming off. That ring broke off because every time you put a new tire on, you end up hitting that ring. In the machine's defense, that is a pretty heavy-duty tire with a pretty heavy-duty sidewall. If it was just a regular tire, like on a car or a trailer, it probably would have pulled the bead a lot better. Those two arms move in and out, and the discs on the end pivot. I stuck a wrench in there so it lined up with the edge of the rim. If I decide to hang on to it, I'll put a new air cylinder on it and hopefully it'll clamp down a little harder. In the end, I had to use a hammer on it, but it still got the tire off. I changed 4 rear tires on my truck and 2 tires on a trailer. That would have been $50 a tire, so $300 minus $60 for the machine. So I saved $240 by fixing this old machine up. There's a way of installing tires with the same arm that's on the machine. You might need a wider bar. I'm not sure what the bar looks like. I tried it with a flat bar, but I figured it would make the machine easier to use if I made another arm for it. I copied the same angle as the other arm and welded a bump on the end to push the tire below the lip of the rim.